In 1947, Australia presented 500 cans of Queensland pineapple to Queen Elizabeth as a wedding present. A pineapple could cost up to a whopping 10,000 British pounds at that time. But today, pineapples are cultivated widely across the globe with a total production of 29.36 million tons, making them a significant fruit in the global food chain. In this video, let's explore how these powerful fruits are cultivated and processed, not only into the pineapple juice we love, but also into many environmentally friendly products. Before we start, please like and subscribe to our channel so we can create more educational videos. The life cycle of a pineapple plant, from planting to harvesting, is approximately 15 to 18 months, with fruit weight ranging from 0.5 to 1.2 kilograms. Currently, pineapples are harvested manually with the assistance of machinery for transportation. In large farms, workers are divided into teams, each harvesting team consisting of 20 to 30 people. Workers must wear protective gear to avoid sharp pineapple leaves. During harvesting, they just break the fruits like this along with a 2 to 3 centimeter long stem to avoid bruising them. The harvesting time and standards for pineapples vary depending on their intended use. Pineapples for fresh consumption are harvested when 1/3 to 1/2 of the fruit's skin has turned yellow. Pineapples for canned goods are harvested when the fruit is ripe and the skin has changed from dark green to light green. Pineapples for concentrated juice are harvested when 1/3 of the fruit's skin from the base has turned yellow. After harvesting, the pineapples are placed on a long conveyor belt and transferred to workers on a truck who stack them in containers. Such a team can harvest 50 to 60 tons per day, with labor costs for each worker being quite low at around $30 per day. Approximately 1.06 million hectares of land worldwide are dedicated to pineapple cultivation. Pineapple yields range from 50 to 60 tons per hectare. Have you ever seen farmers harvesting pineapples before? The remaining pineapple plant is processed using machinery to create organic fertilizer, with each hectare of pineapples producing approximately 80 tons of such fertilizer. Environmental friendly leather, plates, and paper can also be made out of pineapple leaves. Pineapples intended for fresh consumption are sorted, packaged, and stored in cold storage. As a tropical fruit, it's no surprise that Asia is a leading region in pineapple production. In fact, nearly 90% of the global supply originates from countries in this region. Notable examples include Indonesia with 2.88 million tons, the Philippines with 2.86 million tons, and India with 1.7 million tons. The time from harvest to cold storage should not exceed 24 hours in summer and 36 hours in spring. If the fresh pineapples ever needed to be transported, they are transported in refrigerated vehicles at a temperature of 7 to 8 degrees Celsius and a humidity of 85 to 90%. Industrially processed pineapples are stored at a temperature of 10 to 12 degrees Celsius for fruit with 2 rows of yellow eyes and 7 to 8 degrees Celsius for pineapples starting to ripen. With its naturally sweet and sour taste and rich in vitamins and nutrients, it's no wonder that pineapple juice is so popular. According to statistics, the pineapple juice market generates a revenue of $7.1 billion with a total production of up to 2.2 billion liters each year. Are you curious about the process of turning pineapples into nutritious juice? Let's head to the pineapple juice factory with me. Once pineapples arrive at the factory, they are sorted. Workers select fresh, juicy pineapples with soft flesh and minimal fiber. discarding any rotten or unripe fruits. Pineapples with 80% ripeness are considered ideal. Then the pineapples undergo a rigorous cleaning process involving high-pressure bubble washing machines and mechanized scrubbers to get rid of dirt from their outer surface. Once the pineapples are cleaned, they are fed into a peeling and extracting machine. A cutting knife removes the peel and pulp, then divides the pineapples into small pieces. These pineapple skins aren't discarded. In Vietnam, they are used to make soap for those with eczema or sensitive skin. The pineapple flesh is then crushed, sterilized, and then cooled for 30 minutes. The filling process is fully automated, ensuring that the pineapple juice is optimally preserved. To produce these refreshing pineapple juice bottles, farmers must begin with soil preparation. Pineapples thrive best in temperatures between 20 and 27 degrees Celsius, with an average humidity of 75 to 80%. On large farms, planting plots are often designed in a checkerboard pattern, with main roads for cars, tractors, or modified vehicles. Although pineapples are not particularly picky about soil, the most suitable soil for pineapple cultivation is loose, aerated, and well-drained. Therefore, before planting, farmers usually plow the land 2 to 3 times while simultaneously clearing weeds. Afterward, they apply 500 to 700 kilograms of lime per hectare to reduce soil acidity, and apply 2 to 3 tons of organic fertilizer per hectare to improve soil fertility. A drainage system is designed to ensure that rainwater is drained away, preventing waterlogging. Pineapple plots are typically 4 to 5 hectares in size, with irrigation systems installed to ensure the plants receive adequate water. Along the main and branch roads, perennial trees are planted to provide shade and windbreaks. Pineapple suckers are classified by size and type. Then the dry leaves at the base are removed before planting. Pineapples can be planted from March to October, and planting should be avoided during months with low temperatures. Advanced technology is applied in most farms to facilitate farmer care. A drip irrigation system is laid out on the surface of the ridges, followed by covering the entire surface of the ridges with plastic mulch. This helps farmers save time and effort in watering while controlling the amount of water needed for each plant. Planting has become much easier with the use of machinery, capable of covering 15 hectares per hour. But many big farms still plant the pineapples by hand. This 20,000-hectare farm can be completely covered with young pineapple shoots in just one day. The pineapples here are planted at a density of 66,000 plants per hectare in double rows of 4, with a spacing of 30 centimeters between plants in a row and 95 centimeters between rows. Water pipes run from the pump and fertilizer mixing system to the ends of the irrigation plots. With 32,700 drip emitters per hectare, farmers can accurately and easily control the amount of water and fertilizer through a central control station. Weed control is also very convenient through this system. During the main flowering season, farmers remove the sucker shoots when they reach a height of 3 to 4 centimeters and apply ethylene to induce this process. When the pineapples are about to ripen and encounter periods of high radiation, workers use specialized bags to cover the fruit to prevent sunburn. We hope that through this video, you have gained a clear understanding of the pineapple cultivation, harvesting, and processing process. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover how the world's best pineapples are produced.